Good morning, students. As we were studying the second chapter of class 12th, that is inverse trigonometric functions, and under the same continuation, let's solve some questions. So, question number 1. Find the value of sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5. Okay. Now 3 pi by 5, this is equal to 3 into 180 upon 5, and this is equal to 540 upon 5, and this is equal to 108 degree. Okay, and since 108 degree does not belongs to minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, so what we have to do, we have to convert 3 pi by 5 in such a way that it comes under minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. So sine 3 pi by 5 can be written as sine pi minus 3 pi by 5, and since sine pi minus theta barabar sine theta, that this is equal to this, so this is equal to sine 2 pi by 5, and it belongs to minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Since 2 pi by 5 is equal to 2 into 180 by 5, this is equal to 360 by 5, and 5 7 ja 35 and 10 2 ja 10. Okay, and 72 degree lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so therefore sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5 can be written as sine inverse sine 2 pi by 5, and this is equal to 2 pi by 5. Okay, students, now let's solve another example. Question 2. Show that sine inverse 3 by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse 84 upon 85. So this is the question. Now solution. Let sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to x, and sine inverse 8 by 17 is equal to y. So sin x is equal to 3 by 5, and sin y is equal to 8 by 17. Okay, now cos x is equal to root 1 minus sin square x, so this is equal to root 1 minus 9 by 25, and cos y is equal to root 1 minus sin square y, so this is equal to root 1 minus 64 upon 289. So cos x is equal to root 1 minus 9 upon 25. This is equal to 16 upon 25, and this is equal to 4 upon 5. And similarly cos y is equal to root 1 minus 64 upon 289. This is equal to 225 upon 289, and this is equal to 15 upon 17. Now we have, since cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now cos x is 4 by 5, cos y is 15 by 17, plus sin x is 3 by 5 and sin x is 3 by 5, and sin y is 8 by 17. So it is 15 over 60 upon 85 plus 24 upon 85, and this is equal to 84 upon 85, or x minus y is equal to cos inverse 84 upon 85, or what is x and y? X is sin inverse 3 by 5 and y is sin inverse. So sin inverse 3 by 5 minus sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse 84 by 85. Okay, students. Now let's solve another question. Solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This thing we know. So this implies that tan inverse x plus y, yani 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. Now 2x plus 3x becomes 5x, and 1 minus 6x square is equal to pi by 4. Now 5x upon 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equal to 10 pi by 4. 5x upon 1 minus 6x square, and 10 pi by 4 is 1. So 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take 6x common. So here it comes x plus 1 minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 6x minus 1 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it comes x is equal to 1 by 6 and x is equal to minus 1. Now since x is equal to minus 1 does not satisfy the equation, as the left hand side, if we put x is equal to minus 1, the left hand side will be negative. So as the left hand side of the equation becomes negative. So x is equal to 1 by 6 is the only solution. Okay, students.